Our next trip is to Pebble Beach at Bean Hollow State Beach. This place has very unusual rocks that look sort of like Swiss cheese. The hollows were formed when pebbles embedded in the sandstone eroded away. The edges of the depressions were smoothed by wind and waves. From some angles, the landscape looks extraterrestrial, providing plenty of opportunities for great pictures. The pebbles are all round and they're quite small but colorful. You can see yellow, green, black, and white stones. Many are translucent. Visitors can spend hours sifting through the piles of little treasures, but remember, collecting here is illegal regardless of piece of rock or living organism. The possibility to get a ticket from the police is real. Once we saw it happen. There is a small parking lot on the north part and it is connected with the south entrance by a trail along the cliffs. This place has some history as well. There was a hotel near the beach, built in anticipation of the railroad coming to the area. The railroad did not happen and the hotel was closed. There was anger among the local residents caused by the restriction of the coastal access imposed by the landlord. The land eventually became a part of the California State Park system in 1958. Another thing to do is to observe the marine life in the tide pools. We saw plenty of crabs and sea urchins. That's it for today. Leave a comment and do not forget to join our adventures by subscribing to our channel.